Hey guys, our group's topic was identifying variables, categorical versus numerical. Categorical variables. Categorical variables are a type of variable that can take on one of a limited and usually fixed number of possible values, assigning each individual or other unit of observation to a particular group or nominal category on the basis of some qualitative property. Some examples would be race, gender, educational level, and zip code. Numerical variables. Numerical variables are a type of variable that can take on measurable or countable quantities on the basis of some quantitative property. This distinction between measurability and countability determines if the variable is continuous or discrete, respectively. Some examples of continuous would be height, speed, area, length, and distance. And some examples of discrete would be age, score, number of successes, or outcomes. Please enjoy our murder mystery starring Detective Categoro and Detective Numero. Hi, my name is Kaden, and I'm here with Stat News Network. There's just been a horrible homicide in Statland. Let me pass it on to Detective Categoro.
What's up, guys? I'm Detective Categor from Stat PD, and I specialize in solving murders using only categorical variables. Let's take a look at the scene. Yesterday afternoon, a young Indian male was unfortunately murdered. The victim's name was Darsh Pathak. Now, key witnesses say the murderer was wearing a gray shirt with blue shorts. If you have any information about the suspect, please come forward. And at this time, it looks like he was murdered using a gray pair of scissors and some remnants of two blue mechanical pencils, a black mechanical pencil, and a light blue mechanical pencil is left behind. If you have any information about what could have happened yesterday afternoon, please come forward. Now I'm going to hand the investigation over to Detective Numero, who uses numerical variables to solve murders.
Hi, my name is Detective Numero. I specialize in solving murder cases based on numerical variables. So firstly, the facts of the case are, as Detective Categoro previously pointed out, the suspect was a young white male whose suspected age is 17. And this murder occurred last night at 12:01 a.m., 1 minute past midnight. And we can see that so there was one weapon involved in the murder, wherein 3 stab wounds can be seen, 1, 2, and 3. And after this unfortunate victim, Darsh Pathak, was stabbed, 4 mechanical pencils came out of him. So obviously we can use this for fingerprint testing to figure out the identity of the murderers or murderer who's connected to this case. And lastly, this scene occurred approximately 50 steps from the AP Statistics classroom, which indicates that the suspected murderer is most likely a member of our class. So if you have any information, please come forward. We'll appreciate it. Thank you. Based on the facts presented in this case of the homicide of Darsh Pathak, it has come to our attention that Blake Baxter, the valedictorian of Plano West, is the most likely murderer, and he shall be taken into custody at this very moment. Blake, can put your hands on your head. You are charged with third-degree homicide of Darsh Pathak.
Okay, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used in a court of law against you.
If you do not have an attorney, the state shall provide you one.
Do you understand these rights as we read them to you? All right, you're going to jail.
By using categorical and numerical variables, detectives Categoro and Numero were able to successfully identify Blake Baxter as the most likely perpetrator of Darsh Pathak's murder. In statistics, using both numerical and categorical variables enriches the data analysis, enabling a more comprehensive understanding of patterns, relationships, and trends within the dataset. Numerical variables provide quantifiable measurements, while categorical variables introduce qualitative distinctions, thereby collectively allowing for more nuanced and diverse analysis, such as differentiating groups or understanding associations between different categories and numerical outcomes.